This is a great little coffee station that we got on Amazon. It came with the fridge, which made this different from a lot of the other ones that we looked at where you'd have to buy the fridge separately. So that's pretty cool because it is the exact right fridge for the opening. The cabinet itself, all of these hinges are soft close hinges, and the space works out pretty well. There is a drawer as well. The drawer just has regular slides, so it's not like the soft close. The space is not too bad for a cabinet. There is obviously assembly required, it'll come in boxes. But overall, really happy with the purchase. I did see they have a newer model now where there's LED lights that mount underneath, but this cabinet does also have these areas that are made to put your power plugs through. So I just bring the power through there, have a power strip, and then that is the completed coffee station. Overall, pretty happy with the purchase. I do wish it was a little higher, so that's a standard door frame next to it, so it's not quite as high as like a door frame, but overall it works very well for the purpose.